Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get circle arrows in Monday. Calm, which refers to setting up recurring tasks. Automating repetitive work is a fantastic way to save valuable time and ensure consistency across your projects. By setting up recurring tasks, you can make sure that important activities are never missed, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. This feature is a game changer for managing ongoing responsibilities. To begin, you'll want to open the specific board where you wish to implement a recurring task. Once you're on your board, look for the Automate button, which is usually found in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking this button will open the Automation Center, giving you access to a wide array of pre-built automation recipes and the option to create your own custom workflows. It's your central hub for streamlining tasks. Now let's create a recurring task. Select a pre-built recipe, for example, one that says, every time period, create an item. You'll then define how often this task should repeat, choosing options like every day, once a week, or once a month. Next, specify the details for the new item, such as its name, the group it belongs to, and who it should be assigned to. This sets up the core of your automated recurrence. For more advanced control, you can customize triggers and actions to build complex workflows. This allows you to set specific conditions, ensuring tasks recur only when certain criteria are met. For instance, a task might recur only if a previous one is marked as complete. You can also review your automation history to keep track of all automatically created tasks, providing full visibility and control over your recurring items. This helps you fine-tune your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.